Welcome back to Ananya. In our previous video, we discussed the importance of the consultation process in understanding your child's unique needs and concerns. Today, we'll dive deeper into the next crucial step in our child's journey, the assessment process. What is an assessment? An assessment is a comprehensive evaluation of your child's developmental skills, strengths, and challenges. It is designed to provide a detailed picture of your child's abilities in various areas such as cognitive functioning, language and communication, social interaction, adaptive behavior, and emotional regulation. The assessment process is similar to an investigation where our team of experts gathers information through a variety of tools and techniques to develop a clear understanding of your child's profile. Duration and timing. The duration of the assessment process typically ranges from 1 to 2 days, depending on the assessments required and your child's cooperation. Each assessment session usually lasts between 1 to 2 hours. We understand that the children may have different attention spans and comfort levels, so we strive to create a welcoming and engaging environment that allows your child to perform at their best. Preparing for the assessment. To help your child feel comfortable and ready for the assessment, there are a few things you can do. 1. Ensure that your child gets good night's sleep and has a healthy meal before the assessment. 2. Dress your child in comfortable clothing that allows them to move freely and engage in various activities. 3. If your child has any favorite toys or comfort objects, feel free to bring them along to the assessment. 4. Gather any previous documentation related to your child's development, such as medical records, previous assessments, or school reports. Parental involvement. At Ananya, we believe that parents are the most important partners in their child's developmental journey. During the assessment process, we encourage parental involvement in several ways. 1. Parents will be asked to provide detailed information about their child's developmental history, current concerns, and daily functioning through interviews and questionnaires. In some cases, parents may be asked to participate in the assessment sessions, either by interacting with their child or providing insights into their child's behavior and responses. Our team will maintain open communication with the parents throughout the assessment process, addressing any questions or concerns that they may have. Tailored assessment approach. Every child is unique, and at Ananya, we recognize the importance of tailoring our assessment approach to meet your child's individual needs. Our team of experienced psychologists and therapists will carefully select the most appropriate assessment tools and techniques based on your child's age, developmental level, and presenting concerns. We do not believe in one-size-fits-all approach to assessments, and we may sometimes skip certain tests or administer additional ones to ensure that we have a comprehensive understanding of your child's profile. Interpreting the results. Once the assessment is complete, our team will take the time to carefully analyze and interpret results. This process may take up a week, as we believe in providing a thorough and accurate picture of your child's strengths and challenges. Our psychologists are registered with Rehabilitation Council of India (RCI), ensuring that they have the necessary expertise and qualifications to interpret the assessment results accurately. After the assessments, we will schedule a feedback session with you to discuss the results and recommend the next steps in your child's developmental journey. This may include specific therapy interventions such as speech therapy, occupational therapy, or behavior therapy to address your child's identified needs. Referrals to the other specialists such as pediatric neurologists or psychiatrists or pediatricians if necessary. Recommendations for home-based activities and strategies to support your child's development at home. Collaboration with your child's school or other professionals involved in their care to ensure a consistent and coordinated approach to intervention. If you choose to pursue therapy at Ananya, we will work with you to develop a customized therapy plan based on your child's specific needs and your family's preferences and resources. This plan will include the recommended frequency and duration of therapy sessions, as well as the specific goals and strategies that will be used to support your child's progress. We discuss the financial aspects of therapy and work with you to find a plan that fits your budget while ensuring that your child receives the highest quality care. Research has consistently shown that early intervention is crucial for children with developmental delays or disorders. By identifying and addressing concerns early on, we can help children develop the skills and strategies they need to succeed in school, social situations, and daily life. At Ananya, we have a diverse team of experienced professionals who work together to provide comprehensive evidence-based care for your child. At Ananya, we are committed to providing comprehensive evidence-based assessments that are tailored to each child's individual needs. Our team of experienced professionals will guide you through every step of the process, from gathering information to interpreting results and developing a personalized intervention plan.